Minasan konnichiwa. Welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we step into the sorrow of Japanese Hiragana. Its melody is sa, shi, su, se, so. Sa, shi, su, se, so. So let's begin. Here comes sa. Sa, sa. Think of Saru, the lively monkey, and Sakana, the gentle fish swimming in water. Then she. Imagine Shimauma, the striped zebra, and Shika, the quiet deer in the forest. Then comes Su. Taste sushi, Japan's beloved dish, and picture suika, the sweet summer watermelon. After that, say. Walk along the senro, the railway track, and greet your sensei, konnichiwa, the guiding teacher. And finally, so. Hear the hum of the sojiki, the vacuum cleaner, and look up at the sora, the endless sky. And that completes the sorrow of Hiragana. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Keep practicing these sounds and soon they will feel natural to you. Thank you for watching and supporting with your likes, comments, shares and subscriptions. Bye for now and see you in the next Hiragana lesson.